Hi Joe, where are we going today?
Hello, I'm Joe from Hardware City, and today's episode is a very special episode because we are going to Napoleon Singapore showroom, and at the same time, right, we'll be having a barbecue session with one of our chef from Purely BBQ. Yes. Guys, if you spend more than $500 on Napoleon products at Hardware City, you get to have two classes.
A class for 2 people. You can have 2 participants join our barbecue class that teaches about pizza baking and rotisserie chicken on the grill.
Wow.
Yeah.
So it's like a
$300.
Yeah, $300.
great idea for a date.
Yes, great for a date. Or your best friend.
Yeah, so quickly come down to Hardware City, grab all the Napoleon products that you need, and spend more than $500 and get to go for these free classes. Okay, so here we have Chef Chris from Purely BBQ.
Everything on the side here, and you can see that we even have a mat for the side table to protect your precious side tables from getting scratched. So now he's putting the charcoal tray in. So this is actually the coconut briquets, and what I like about this is that it's very natural, so there's no chemicals added to these briquets, and they last for about 3 hours. And my favorite thing about it is that it's got very neutral flavor, so whatever food you're cooking, it will not blend with that flavor, it will just be that charcoal, like that smoky flavor. Okay. So for the chunks, we're using mesquite, but we also have hickory flavor. We add this in for the extra smoky flavor. You just put them within the charcoal. And then you do it a few times. There you go. So we're gonna close this and we're gonna let it light up. Okay, for the Prestige Pro series, you can actually change the colors to the colors that you want. Pink, red, purple, green, white.
Really?
Yeah. That's
Amazing.
Pro. Yeah. So we're putting charcoal inside the chili starter. Chunk there. Okay, so over here, we have the ignition and the infrared side burner knob. So like this. There we go. Now it's lit. Yeah, so we just leave this there.
How are you, Joe?
Napoleon fast speed thermometer. We want to check it the instant. So right now it's instant, like you can see it's instant.
Like the smell.
Aroma, yeah.
So you guys have a range of the
finished the barbecue session, and right now we have 2 staff from Napoleon Singapore. We're going to taste test the food right now. Maybe you can introduce you guys. You are?
I'm Denise.
Amazing, you are? Alright, so without further ado, let's begin our taste test.
Okay, so from here.
You all chose this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I can just pick this one.
Smell it.
Really very
Nice.
Okay, so that's the second one.
nice. The second one.
Right.
Second one definitely.
Smoky.
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 You don't say burnt. The chocolate one is number 1 or number 2? 2. No? Number 1.
Yeah.
Okay, so he knows the answer already. So you want to reveal the answer?
Yes. So the first one is actually gas, right? Gas, yes. And the second one is actually okay.
So dog cannot taste because he don't have proper tongue. Okay, so mission accomplished. Did you enjoy it?
Very much. Both
Good.
are very nice.
Yeah.
All thanks to the chef, please, for making this amazing
And not further than the
Yeah.
Which dish have you tried so far?
Stingray. Are you a seafood person?
Not really.
Out of 10, how much points would you give? 9.
Wow, 9. That's pretty high.
So do you find the stingray was taken perfection? Like it's like soft texture.
It's soft.
Oh, is
But
it?
I like it.
You like it like soft texture? Any words?
So smoky. So good.
Out of 10.
10 out of 10.
12.
12.
I'm not a seafood person, so I would say it's an 8.
Great.
That's very
Is
high.
it?
for
Yeah,
a
high.
seafood person, okay?
Yes. So thank you guys for watching today's episode with Hardware City, and thank you so much Audrey from Napoleon Singapore showing us all the different products, and also Chef Chris for cooking such an amazing food for us as well. So do remember to follow us Hardware City on our socials. Yeah, thank you guys, and see you guys for the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.